In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Crypto.com account. Now, when doing Crypto.com verification, you have to sign up for Crypto.com, and it is in that process. So there's no way you are completing sign up without verification. So sooner or later, in the steps of signing up, you will be brought to a screen like this, and they're going to tell you all that they need from you. So your full legal name, ID, and a selfie, but it's going to function more like KYC. So let's fill in our full name. Then on the next screen, we need to select which document we're going to use. So either our passport or our driver's license. So from there, you'll just scan your passport. It'll automatically take the photo. Make sure that you have good lighting for that. And then once you have done that, so for me, I would scan both sides of my ID. Then you just want to hit continue. And then they'll want to capture your face. And when you're done with that, just hit continue. And then you'll get this message where they will notify you when your account is completely verified. So this part is just about being patient, and once your account is verified, you'll have full access to Crypto.com without restrictions. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.